What if the AI you trust with professional data is actually the wrong one for the job? In this video, ChatGPT and Gemini face five critical challenges: cleaning broken datasets, verifying calculations, performing advanced analysis, automating workflows, and creating decision ready reports. One delivers deeper analytical power, the other offers a smoother, connected workflow. But the final winner depends on one crucial factor most AI comparisons overlook. Which would you trust with your professional data? ChatGPT or Gemini? Comment your choice below and subscribe to TechWise AI for upcoming videos on AI, data, and smarter productivity.
Okay, let's dive right in. Look, most people are out there using AI to, answer basic trivia questions or draft a quick email, but what happens when we ask it to handle the actual heavy lifting workload of an entire financial department? I want you to picture a total nightmare scenario for a second. You're looking at thousands of transactions scattered across completely broken spreadsheets. We're talking incorrect dates, duplicate invoices, missing values, and account names that are just entirely inconsistent. And your management? Yeah, they expect a totally clean, error-free financial report on their desk before the end of the day. So welcome to our latest explainer, where we're putting ChatGPT and Gemini to the absolute ultimate professional data test. Man, that is a stressful scenario. But let's be real, it's exactly what data professionals are facing literally every single day. So before we jump into the ring here, I've got a quick question for you. Do you rely more on Excel or Google Sheets for your primary data workflow? Actually, really think about it for a second, because your answer to that question might actually predict your ideal AI platform by the time we finish this explainer. Right, so here is our roadmap for today. We've got a 5-round showdown: data cleaning, calculation accuracy, code-driven analysis, workflow automation, and finally, decision-ready reporting. But first, let's establish the ground rules. We are doing a strict capability-based comparison today. Exactly. No hype, just reality. We are only looking at current platforms and officially documented professional capabilities. That means absolutely no imaginary speed tests, no fabricated accuracy percentages, and zero exaggerated claims about saving millions of dollars. Just the facts. All right, let's kick things off. Round 1, cleaning broken data. Fixing missing values, standardizing entries, and hunting down those pesky duplicates. So right off the bat, you'll notice a stark split in how these two AIs actually operate. ChatGPT acts sort of like this deep investigation lab for your uploaded files, whereas Gemini, it provides more of a cloud repair service right there where your data already lives. Yeah, the practical difference here is honestly huge. Think about it like this. If you upload a massive, incredibly complicated CSV file into ChatGPT, it uses Python code in the background to transform the data, find anomalies, and then spit out a much cleaner dataset. It's a heavy-duty cleaner for sure. But with Gemini, it organizes tables and generates formulas directly inside your Google Sheets. So if you just need to format and organize some messy data without ever leaving your current browser window, Gemini is just incredibly smooth.
Moving right along to round 2, calculation accuracy. This is all about turning those clean rows into trustworthy financial totals.
Now, this is where the contrast really sharpens up. ChatGPT's big advantage is that it runs code-backed analysis and, this is key, it actually reveals its code for you to inspect. It makes those complex financial calculations fully auditable. Gemini's advantage, on the other hand, is zero-distance immediacy. It creates the formula right there in your working spreadsheet in real time.
Whoa. Let's hit pause for a second, though. Neither platform earns our automatic trust. I honestly don't care how smart the AI seems. AI output does not equal automatic approval. A qualified professional must always manually verify these formulas and reconcile the totals against controlled source data. You literally cannot skip this step.
Absolutely essential point. Okay, round 3, code-driven advanced analysis. We're escalating from basic sums to anomaly detection, trend analysis, and complex scenario forecasting. When the challenge moves beyond just, basic spreadsheet formulas and into heavy statistical work and forecasting, ChatGPT's environment has a clear, undeniable advantage. It behaves much more like a true data scientist's laboratory. Right, though, to be totally fair to Gemini here, it does provide some really fantastic, accessible business analysis and instant chart generation, especially for teams who are already collaborating in Google Workspace. But look, when you need to run deep, investigative Python code to figure out exactly why a certain trend is happening, ChatGPT completely dominates this round. No contest.
But, as we know, data work isn't always deep science. Let's look at round 4, professional workflow automation. This is all about removing those manual, repetitive steps from your everyday operations.
Exactly. If your company lives and breathes Google Workspace, Gemini is going to be your ultimate operational assistant. It is natively integrated, which means it's right there helping you build pivot tables, apply filters, and format cells directly. It just removes all the friction from your daily spreadsheet chores. ChatGPT, conversely, is your go-to for a broader analysis workspace. Like if you need to connect an Excel file, a random CSV, and a Word document, analyze them all together, and get a downloadable output, ChatGPT handles that multi-file chaos beautifully.
Which is exactly why I am officially declaring this round a strategic draw. Honestly, the true winner here depends 100% on whatever software ecosystem your IT department already forces you to use, right? If you live in Google Sheets, Gemini wins. If you work across multiple platforms and completely different file types, ChatGPT takes it. Fair enough. I'll take a draw on that one. Let's move to our final challenge, round 5, decision-ready financial reporting. Translating all those raw numbers into a clear, usable management report. Because a real report isn't just a summary paragraph, right? A professional dashboard has to clearly separate the evidence, the assumptions you made to get there, any exceptions you found along the way, and of course, your final recommendations.
And here is exactly how they stack up. Because ChatGPT has that incredible analytical depth we talked about earlier, it's really strong at exploring evidence to construct a complex narrative. But Gemini wins if you absolutely need to maintain continuity. Think about it. If your team is drafting the report together in a Google Doc, Gemini lets you just pull insights from your sheet directly into your doc without ever breaking your collaborative flow.
Well, we've survived all 5 rounds. It is time for the final AI verdict. Which AI actually automates professional data better? So, the ultimate scorecard comes down to this. If your specific role requires deep, code-driven investigation, heavy forecasting, and multi-file analysis, ChatGPT is the definitive winner. But for daily, seamless operations natively within Google Workspace, Gemini easily takes the crown. Sums it up perfectly. Analytical depth belongs to ChatGPT. Seamless integration belongs to Gemini. But the final authority? Well, that still belongs to you, the professional. Yeah, and I want to leave you with a really serious reminder here. AI can absolutely accelerate your analysis. It can expose hidden patterns and completely wipe out repetitive manual work. But it should never, ever become an invisible approval authority. At the end of the day, you are the one who signs off on those numbers. Perfectly said. So which AI fits your workflow? Let us know in the comments. But as you start integrating these tools into your daily grind, I want you to ask yourself one thing. As AI gets better and better at doing the math, are we slowly losing our own ability to spot when it's confidently wrong? Think about that. Subscribe to TechWise AI and we'll see you in the next explainer.